Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to upload your answer onto here. So your answer asks you, or your question, I'm sorry, asks you to change one rod into 10 units. Now, we are calling them ones cubes. On some of your quizzes, if they ask you units, they are talking about your ones cubes, okay? It's just another name. So we'll add that to our vocabulary. Units and ones cubes are the same. So rods are here, and if you remember, we have 10 of them from our video earlier. So what that means is I'm going to come over here to my little eraser, and I'm going to get rid of one of my rods from this spot because I'm changing it into my units, my ones cubes. Now, when you do this, the rule is I'm not even thinking about these 3 that are already here. I'm adding 10, so it's going to be 10 new ones. So I'm just going to leave these 3 alone and put 10 new units on. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So remember, when you switch one out, don't bother the ones that are already there. You're making new ones and keeping the ones that are already there. So now this has changed how many I have. So now what you're going to do, let me drop down my window a little bit. Oops. Is you're going to come down to your search bar here, and you're going to type in snipping tool. So you see mine is already saved because I use it a lot, but you're going to have to type it in, snipping tool, SNIPPING, spacebar, TOOL. And you're going to click where it said app, and then you're going to click new. And what you're going to do, you see my little cursor here, I'm going to click and hold and drag the box to take a picture of just that part of the screen that I want. So I just want this part. All right, so now you have a picture, and you're going to save it. File, save as. I'm going to call it question 3. Now I already have one. It's going to replace the one I already have. Yours will not ask this because it'll be the first time. I'm going to replace it. So now it is saved. And what you're going to do is you're going to come to Add File, select from your device, and you're going to have to find where you put that. So mine was question 3. Here it is. Open, upload. And there you go. So when I come in here as your teacher and I click on this, I will be able to see if you did the same thing.